I want to share my journey in music with you. My name is Elisha NIWEWE. I was born into a family of 6 children in Rwanda country. Truth, we grew up in poverty. My parents and siblings always supported me emotionally. Even when they couldn't provide financial help, I completely and had a deep passion for music. For a young age, in 2020, I officially stepped into the world of music, beginning my journey with secular songs. After creating 5 secular songs, something unexpected happened. I heard the voice of God calling me to spread His word through gospel music. At first, it was a difficult decision. Switching from secular to gospel music was not easy, especially with limited resources and no financial backing. But my family stood by me, giving me hope and encouragement. They reminded me that I was not alone and that my purpose was greater than personal success. It was about serving God. With newfound faith, I wrote my first song called Nitkuhoraho alongside my worship team. The response was encouraging and I felt reassured that I was on the right path. Soon after, I realized Niwanaye, and to the surprise, it became widely loved and appreciated. This motivated me to continue, and I went on to realize yadukuye muburetwa twahawe agakiza and kubwanjye. Each song called message of hope, redemption, and God's unending love. Despite the growing recognizing of my music, I still face significant challenges. Financial struggles make it hard to produce high-quality music and video, and I lack the sponsorship needed to fully pursue my calling. However, I refuse to let this stop me. My passion for gospel music is stronger than my obstacle, and I believe that with faith and perseverance, God will provide a way. My vision is to reach as many people as possible with the message of God's love through my music. I continue to seek support and sponsorship to grow this ministry and touch more lives. I invite anyone who believes in my mission to help me spread the word of God through music. You can also follow my journey on my YouTube channel called Inoni Gospel Music, and connect with me on TikTok, Instagram, X, Lucky, SoundCloud, Spotify. Under the name is Elisha NIWEWE. If you feel called to support my ministry, you can contact me at +25078499730. This is my story, a journey of faith, preference, and music dedicated to glorifying God. Thank you for listening to my story. My name is Elisha NIWEWE. Thank you.